All right, well, this is a little different. This was that Concorde builder fan that I had made that video of when it was outside. It had the replacement blade iron. Well, here it is. After a restoration. New set of blades came off of latex. Everything else is original besides the canopy that was spared off of a Westinghouse, I believe. And the pull chain was re-stained to be a darker color to match the blades. And it was painted this cool grayish bluish tone. It works really well. And I believe it turned out very well. But yeah. As you can see, there it is. I need to put a cap on the bottom. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely, this thing's gonna be listed on eBay, so if any of y'all want it. I also have this listed on eBay. There's a brushed nickel builder's best. And I am about to list these Westinghouse fans. But yeah, that is medium. Let's go high. You can see here it is on high. Thing goes pretty fast.